YAML. sklearn tree export text. Description: the export text function in scikit-learn's decision tree module allows you to visualize and understand the structure of a trained decision tree model in a human-readable text format. It provides a clear representation of the decision rules and branches within the tree. Inputs: decision tree, an instance of a trained decision tree model, such as decision tree classifier or decision tree regressor. Feature names: optional, a list of strings representing the names of the features used in the tree model. If provided, these names will be used in the output text instead of numerical indices. Outputs: text representation, a string containing the text-based representation of the decision tree structure, including decision rules, feature names, and class labels or predicted values. Steps: traversal: the function traverses the decision tree structure, starting from the root node and exploring all branches recursively. Rule extraction: for each node, the function extracts the decision rule that applies to that node. This rule is typically based on a specific feature and a threshold value. Text construction: the function constructs a text representation of the tree by combining decision rules, feature names, and class labels or predicted values into a hierarchical format. Output: the text representation of the tree is returned as a string. Metrics: not directly applicable. The export text function is mainly for visualization and understanding a tree structure, rather than measuring its performance. Visualization plots: text-based representation: the output of export text is a text representation of the tree, which can be displayed in a console or text editor. Fine-tune parameters: not applicable. The export text function does not have any fine-tuning parameters. Uncertainty methods: not applicable. The export text function is not directly related to uncertainty methods. Challenges and fixes. Challenge 1: difficulty in understanding complex trees. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 1: a tree with a large number of nodes and intricate branching patterns can be challenging to comprehend visually. Fixes to challenge 1. Feature importance: use the feature importances attribute of the tree model to identify the most influential features. Tree pruning: prune the tree to reduce its complexity and make it easier to understand. Graph visualization: use external libraries like GraphViz or Matplotlib to generate graphical visualizations of the tree, which can be more intuitive. Challenge 2: long text output. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 2: deep or wide trees can result in very long text output, making it cumbersome to read. Fixes to challenge 2. Feature selection: reduce the number of features used in the model, which can simplify the tree structure. Tree pruning: prune the tree to remove unnecessary branches and shorten the output. Text formatting: use formatting techniques like indentation or line breaks to improve readability of the text output.